Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best carry-on garment bags that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Briggs & Riley Baseline Carry-On Upright Garment Bag. Most wheeled garment bags you will find are made with a horizontal build, which makes the Briggs & Riley garment bag unusual. The upright build is extremely useful, however, when you're rolling your bag through the plain aisles and avoid hitting the seats. This is, after all, a post about carry-on garment bags. The aluminum telescopic handles are fixed outside of the bag so it doesn't eat up packing space. The durable ballistic nylon case also protects your items even if your bag ends up being tossed around. There are 2 compartments that both open clamshell style. The front compartment holds the suits and is a tri-fold garment bag. It has restraining side panels to keep your suit in place. It can fit up to 2 suits, or 3 for the ladies. There is a Wally clamp to hold your own wire hangers. There are 2 removable zipped mesh pockets in the corners, good for underwear, socks, and a belt. The main compartment has space for other items and clothing. It can also be opened while in the upright position. Side gusset straps keep the front section from opening all the way and spilling your items. A pair of adjustable restraining panels with 2 small interior pockets built in keep all your clothes from falling out if you open this compartment while the case is upright. Half of the lid of this compartment features a zipped mesh pocket for soiled garments and the other half features 2 elastic top slip pockets for shoes. If you still need more space, there are 2 more pockets on the outside of the bag. It also has a SmartLink strap that you can attach to another wheeled bag if needed. Moving on at number 4, we have the Zagor 40-inch 3-suit carry-on travel garment bag. If you're a heavy traveler, it's always good to invest in sturdy luggage that will last yours for a long time. That doesn't mean, however, those good products are always expensive. The Zagor garment bag is a steal, especially for the quality and organization you get with just this one bag. Another sleek and slim design, this bag will fit in any overhead bin at 23 by 22 by 4 inches. Again, make sure to check your airline restrictions on size limitations as the dimensions of this bag is not standard for all. But, it weighs a mere. The dual-fold bag has several internal zippers and pockets to keep everything organized. It maximizes storage capacity for the interior of the bag and expands storage options with a big external pocket big enough for folders and electronics. A cloth panel fully unzips to reveal the garment compartment. It has a hook at the top for the hangers, with 3 dual buckle straps to keep the garments in place and wrinkle-free. Because there are no thick materials for the interior, the bag is flexible enough to hold up to 3 suits. If it doesn't fit your travel needs, they offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Even better, as the bag is made of 1800D polyester, making it sturdy and waterproof. At number 3, we have the Travelpro Crew Versapack Carry-On Rolling Garment Bag. The 10 in this bag means it's on its 10th version, which means there are many aspects and features of a carry-on garment bag that they've perfected. The Travelpro Crew Garment Bag is one of the most stable wheeled garment bags out there. And absolutely great for business trips. Its PowerScope telescopic handle is designed for comfort and minimizes wobble while on the move. It also locks midway so business travelers of different heights can use this bag comfortably. There are 2 leather handles for hauling the bag. The top handle is for carriage while the bottom handle is for pulling the bag from the overhead bin. Much thought has also been put into the material. It is 100% nylon with a protective DuraGuard coating for water resistance. The interior is treated with a waterproof coating to keep all your garments safe. It's also treated with Duraflex technology, making the bag almost indestructible and impossible to break into. There are 2 external pockets for small items or jackets and documents. The main compartment has a metal hanger clamp at the top, in between 2 removable mesh pockets for small items and accessories. There are adjustable hold-down clamps and a foam-padded roll bar to keep suits in place and wrinkle-free. An extension panel also folds out of the bag for longer garments. The inside of the lid has organization pockets and a compression strap to keep clothes on that side from falling out. You'll definitely have no problem bringing this as a carry-on, as the Travelpro Crew 10 is most commonly used by airline cabin crew, and for good reason. At 22 by 14 by 9 inches, it will fit most size limitations for carry-on luggage. The biggest drawback of this bag is the weight at 10 pounds. It's a hefty number and can be limiting, especially on budget airlines. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Premium Garment Bag. Amazon Basics is of course Amazon's own brand that is aimed at providing quality at affordable prices. And this bifold garment travel bag doesn't disappoint. It has ample room for up to 3 suits, with tie-downs to help keep things in place while on the go. It also comes with roomy interior pockets for all those extras that you will want to bring along. Even enough room for shoes. And because the pockets are made from mesh, you won't have to worry about letting your clothing breathe. Amazon has also provided pockets for those smaller items, in case you don't have another bag for them. So, things like pens, smaller electronics, etc. are stowed safely while you are traveling, but are still relatively easy access. And best of all, it comes with Amazon's limited 1-year warranty should anything go wrong. In terms of carrying, it comes with a decent carry handle but lacks a shoulder strap, which is handy if you have other luggage with you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Victorinox Luggage Unisex Werks Garment Sleeve 6.0. A non-wheeled option is great if you need to be careful of weight limits for carry-on baggage. The Victorinox Luggage Werks Garment Sleeve is a mere 4.3 pounds. Leaving you with enough weight for your actual garments too. This is great if you have an important business trip. This garment bag is sleek and streamlined and is easy to carry around for long periods of time. It may seem too slim at 24.8 by 21.3 by 2 inches, but it's very well designed and it's possible to fit in all the clothes you need plus miscellaneous travel accessories. Just like a Swiss Army knife. It is Swiss made, after all. Portability is one of the key advantages of this bag. There's a removable, padded, adjustable shoulder strap for hands-free travel, the top handle that can be held together with snap closures, and a back strap you can clip onto a telescopic luggage handle. This back strap is zippered so you can convert it to a pocket. There are so many options, it's hard to keep count. The front of the bag has a zippered pocket for smaller and quick items. The main compartment for your garments features a hanger clamp and adjustable bar, compression straps to keep your suits in place. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.